Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is me. This is my YouTube channel, Dreamy Doodles. Let's start the challenge day 9. So today we are gonna draw a cat, a pet. Let me show you a magic. Are you guys ready? Copy, paste. Yeah! I'm quite excited today. I can't blame. So this is illustration drawing. Let's start sketching. So I'm using marker brushes. These are the perfect brush for sketching. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you're not, just let me know in the comment box. I will improve my video. Watch my video till end. Believe me, you will enjoy this video. This is my favorite part of drawing. I love draw eyes, especially cat's eye. I am a cat lover. If you have also a cat, just let me know their name in the comment box. If you are still watching my video, thanks for watching and do subscribe and like. By the way, this illustration gonna end and it's time to color. Let's fill the color. By the way, which character do you like to draw with me? Just let me know in the comment box. I will draw. So bye. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and like and hit the bell icon.